Among the different resources and characteristics that the engineering branch possesses is its history, that among its most common tools is the pivot, projectile, and trebuchet. The most relevant competencies of this branch are also inhibited, among which stand out high curiosity, problem-solving, and great quantitative thinking. This branch has several levels of education, among which it is taught about its recursive from bachelor education to master degree.
The engineer must be very creative at its quality that helps people to activity intelligence, helps to have more detailed or precise solution, and help us to have great work versatility. Additionally, for an engineer, it is important to present a good report which make it possible to have good communication of the result of the company to make good decision, improve the result of the company, uh, achieve a grateful of in the process and have it her level of justification in the allocation of resources.
Okay, exposure points. Guide 7. Working with numbers. Importance of materials in engineering. For example, real-world problem, form, math- mathematical model, solution, mathematical conclusion, interpreted, prediction about the real world, valid, validate. Guide A, type of measurement. What is unit of measure? A unit of measure is a standardized quantity of a given physical quantity, defined and adopted by convention or by right. Any value of a physical of the unit of measure. Some types, uh, units of force, units of capacity, units of energy, density units. Guide 9. The scientific method. What is? Model is an abstract conceptual graphic or visual representation. Type of scientific method. Inductive method, deductive method, analy- analytic method, scientific method.
Right, 23, Sweet Treatment Project, Objective, Strat, City, Hudson, Water, Industrial Building, Residence, Process, was water is called and detoxification process is carried out. It is deposited in nearby bodies of water, which it creates a risk to the flora and fauna that live on the lakes. Negative impact that can be generated, lake entry of hazardous material into nearby lakes and streams. Mitigation plans, construction of special warehouse tank, alternative treatment methods without chemicals. By 24th, cleaning of nuclear power. What that is consist of is seek to take advantage of the energy that comes from nuclear fusion and that does not generate pollutants that are harmful to the environment and man. Type of nuclear power plants, modern nuclear, conventional nuclear, modern nuclear full source, energy from nuclear fusion, it risks the disadvantage of the process if the waste generated by the nuclear reaction. Conventional nuclear fuel source fossil fuels, uh, fossil fuels rigged exponential environmental pollution of the water, air, soil, fauna, and flora. Solution it refers to the as modern nuclear power. It refers to the use of modern nuclear power plants where it is possible to roast spent nuclear rods stored as molecules, processed and generated unlimited energy. Number 25, BioCare provides medical solution. What is it? Company dedicated to the distribution and commercialization of medical products. I made at the medical industry products, artificial respirators, infusion pumps, artificial organs, artificial limbs. Among the most outstanding products are significant advance in the following: uh, mirror machine, ultrasound machine, incubator for premature babies. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, teacher.